guys, hi, what's up? My name is Rukma. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So आज मैं आप लोग के साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ एक बहुत ही cute haul, एक cute Miniso and Amazon haul. So for a lot of days I was thinking कि मैंने काफ़ी दिनों से कोई haul upload नहीं किया, and yeah, I have collected quite a few things here and there from Amazon and from Miniso, and most of these things happen to be under rupees 300. There's no particular category out here, but most of these things are like random home decor kind of things, and काफी क्यूट चीजें हैं मेरे पास आज आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करने के लिए. सो या इन केस यू गाइस आर इंटरेस्टेड, प्लीज डू कीप ऑन वाचिंग. सो मिनीसो से मेरे पास दो ही चीजें हैं. लेट मी जस्ट शो दोस टू थिंग्स टू यू एंड देन वी कैन मूव ऑन टू द Amazon वाला सेक्शन, Amazon haul basically. So Miniso से the first thing that I have is a card holder. Now this is the card holder that I got from Miniso. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो बहुत ही क्यूट एक टेडी बेयर का फेस बना हुआ है, which is so cute. I had to buy a card holder and that day we had just gone to Miniso just like that. I happened to like this one. So basically once you open the flap, यहाँ पे भी आपको दो sections मिलेंगे cards रखने के लिए, and then you have a zip out here. तो ये zip में आप cash भी रख सकते हो, but मैंने यहाँ पे भी अपने cards वगैरह रखे हैं, like important documents like driving license, PAN card, Aadhaar card, सारे membership cards, and then I have my credit cards and debit cards also. So really nice card holder, lot of space to keep all your cards, and बहुत ही अच्छा है ये. I can just throw it into my handbag while I go out, and yeah, this was for rupees 600. Next thing that I got from Miniso is an air freshener, a room freshener basically. So whenever I and Vivek we go to Miniso, we don't really see a lot of change or upgradation in their product. एक category है जिसके products ना वो काफी ज्यादा upgrade करते हैं, change करते हैं, and variety लाते रहते हैं, and that category happens to be that of room freshener, like air fresheners. So this time the one that we got is this one from Miniso. This is their little gift dream solid gel air freshener, जिसके नीचे लिखा हुआ है May your dreams always be sweet. It's just a cute little packaging. You can look at that. It looks like a gift basically. ऊपर ऐसे bow type का दिया हुआ है, and यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है that this will last you for 45 days. Now like I promised, most of the things from this haul are going to be under 300 rupees. So ये वाला जो air freshener था वो सिर्फ 200 रुपए का था. बहुत ही क्यूट है, इसका पैकेजिंग गिफ्ट वगैरह कर सकते हो, एंड हम लोग तो इसको वॉशरूम के लिए लेके आए हैं. लाइक वी लाइक टू कीप एन एयर फ्रेशनर ऑलवेज इन आवर वॉशरूम. वंस यू ओपन इट यू हैव दिस सॉलिड जेल बेसिकली. वन सेकेंड. या दिस सॉलिड जेल बेसिकली. नाउ आई डोंट नो हाउ टू डिस्क्राइब दिस. It smells like those talcum powders जो बचपन में आते थे. I don't remember the brand right now. And this actually smells very similar to one of the body washes from Lux. Basically इस packaging का color देख के मुझे लगा कि ये lavender वाला fragrance तो नहीं होगा, because I love lavender fragrance का anything. But this doesn't seem to be lavender fragrance. This is a very like a fresh floral fragrance, but not lavender fragrance. Like I said, वो बचपन के talcum powders वाला smell है. So yes, this was from Miniso and this was for rupees 200. Alright, now let's start with the Amazon haul. Now Amazon से ना I got a few cute things here and there, like I mentioned in the intro. The first thing which I would like to share with you all is this calendar. Now इसका जो brand है ना calendar का, वो मैं कहीं पे mention कर दूंगी screen पे. So basically this is a 2025 calendar. Obviously this is the calendar. यहाँ पे आपको 12 months के मिल जाएंगे. Once you flip it, you have the individual month का calendars. So basically ये जनवरी का calendar है. यहाँ पे सारे holidays वगैरह marked है. And then you have a notes section, like a to-do list वगैरह. अगर आप लोगों को कुछ लिखना है ना, तो वो भी आप इस calendar पे jot down कर सकते हो. This is the one for February. Every particular page, every particular month has a quotation written here. So for February, it's written, "Let's do this." For March, it's written, "Write your own story." Then for April, they have written, "Enjoy today." So काफी अच्छे quotations है, and सारे ही pages में ना कुछ floral designing वगैरह है borders पे. So really cute calendar. This will cost you under rupees 300 for sure, and बहुत ही amazing है. एंड क्वाइट कंसाइज ऑल्सो. कहीं पे भी आप इसको फिट कर दो अपने डेस्क पे या टेबल पे. तो हमने तो इसको अपने लिविंग एरिया के डेस्क पे रखा हुआ है, एंड इट्स सच अ नाइस कैलेंडर, वेरी वेरी नाइस, डजंट टेक्स टू मच ऑफ स्पेस, एंड ऑफ कोर्स इज वेरी क्यूट एंड एस्थेटिक. नाउ नेक्स्ट अप आई हैव टू पेन स्टैंड्स टू शो यू गाइस. बोथ ऑफ दीज आर वेरी वेरी क्यूट. वन ऑफ देम आई हैड परचेज्ड फॉर विवेक एंड वन ऑफ दीज इज फॉर माई सेल्फ. सो विवेक के लिए मैंने ये वाला पेन स्टैंड लिया था. ही इज अ पॉटर हेड जस्ट लाइक मी, एंड लुक एट दैट, इट्स so cute. This will also cost you something under rupees 300. Now इसका जो MRP है that I think if I'm not wrong is close to 700, but you will get a good discount on this, like a 50% discount, and आप देख सकते हो बहुत ही प्यारा है ये. If I'm not wrong ये सेरामिक का है तो बी अ लिटिल केयरफुल बिकॉज ये टूट सकता है गिर के। तो बहुत ही अमेजिंग लगता है, ये उसके साइड टेबल पे रखा रहता है हमेशा। एंड ही कीप्स ऑल हिज पेन्स एंड हिज नेल कटर एंड अदर एसेंशियल्स हियर। एंड इसमें ना आपको 3 और वैरायटी मिल जाएंगे, बैटमैन, एवेंजर्स का लोगो वाला एंड सुपरमैन, ये वैरायटीज आपको मिल जाएंगे। एंड फॉर माई सेल्फ आई पिक्ड अप दिस रोज गोल्ड कलर का पेन स्टैंड। तो इसमें मैंने सारे ना अपने मार्कर्स, पेन्स वगैरह रखे हैं। ऑल्सो दिस फेस रोलर। सो या दैट्स माई पेन स्टैंड। ये रोज गोल्ड कलर में है लाइक आई सेड। इसमें भी आपको 2 वैरायटीज मिल जाएंगे, और यू विल गेट अ गोल्ड वन एंड यू विल गेट अ ब्लैक वन, बट आई थिंक आई रियली लाइक द एस्थेटिक ऑफ दिस रोज गोल्ड वन, सो आई पिक दिस वन अप। दिस वन विल ऑल्सो कॉस्ट यू ₹300 से कुछ कम, मतलब ऐसे 250 टाइप्स आपको ये मिल जाएगा। नेक्स्ट अप इज अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग व्हिच आई पिक्ड अप। दिस वन हैपेंस टू बी अ मैनिफेस्टेशन जर्नल। नाउ फॉर so many days I have been following creators and influencers, you know, who have spoken about how manifestation has changed their lives, and I really wanted to try it out, and I finally picked up a manifestation journal from Amazon. This one is also below ₹300, and you get loads and loads of pages in here. Now basically what you have in here is, I'll show you. So let's say this is one page, okay? So यहाँ पे क्या क्या लिखा है I'll show you. I want to manifest my prayer to the universe, visualization, I see, I have, I feel, my daily affirmations and action plan to receive those things. So ये सारी चीजें यहाँ पे लिखी हुई है, and you have so many pages out here. So even if you don't, you know, sort of fill it up in 1 year, you can use it the next year also, because these pages are undated. It's a very nice manifestation journal. I've already started using it. I'm using it religiously since the 1st of this year, and I have already started seeing its effects, you know, its positive effects, and how if you put out something in the universe, if you write something down, how it brings a change to your life. I can clearly see that happen. It's a great manifestation journal. You will of course find lots and lots of options on Amazon, but if you're looking for a good one, a budget friendly one, do try this one out. I will link all the products that I'm talking about today in the description box. Now next up I have a fragrance. This is a fragrance which I showed you in my 2024 favorites video as well, and I purchased this very recently and I'm just loving it. This basically is Date from Bella Vita. This is what it looks like. This is their 20 ml bottle, and you will get this for ₹175. Very you know, reasonable. And these fragrances are very long lasting because these are made with more than 20% oil concentration, so very long lasting. Fragrance of this is basically a combination of fruity, citrus and woody. I absolutely love it. Wow, this is so nice. Because this has a citrusy note to it as well. No, it's very refreshing, and इसका packaging आप देख सकते हो इतना portable है ना, that I sometimes like carrying this to work, and I apply it and it's so brilliant. I absolutely love this. Do try this one out from Bella Vita. Next up I have 3 things from Amazon, and then I'm gonna finish the video, okay? So the third last thing happens to be this set of hangers. I got the set of white velvet hangers. Now basically I got a set of 30 hangers because I have lots and lots of ethnic wear which I am planning to set up in the wardrobe, and वो सारे ethnic pieces को अच्छे से रखने के लिए ना I required hangers. So I got these velvet ones. These are from Amazon Basics, and a set of 30 costed me ₹800. So I think a pretty good deal. very good quality. Amazon Basics का grey color का जो velvet hangers है वो पहले से हमारे घर पे था, so very good quality. I went for the white one this time. The next thing is basically this basket. I'll show it to you. This is what the basket looks like. You basically have like a steel body. So the steel body is black in color, and the handle is this beautiful beige color. It looks very nice. Now you might just be asking, why have I purchased this basket? How do I use it? Now I basically make a lot of haul videos, empties videos, recommendations videos, favorites videos. So I needed something where I can collect all my products in one place and talk about those products with you guys. So I thought this basket would be a great investment. Now this costed me around ₹1,000. I know it's a little pricey. Now for me as a content creator, I can use this to collect all the products in one place and discuss about these products to you. But for you, you can use these baskets to keep anything, you know, which you have too much of. Let's say you have too many nail paints, too many lipsticks, or let's say you have some nice crayons, or perfumes, anything which you have too much of and you need some sort of a aesthetic place to keep all of those things in one place, I think this basket is a great idea. You can also use this as a fruits basket, like keeping your apples and bananas in it. You can find this in a white color, in a baby pink color. So of course I will link this in the description box, so you can click on that link and check out all the available options. Last thing for today's video is going to be this beautiful bracelet from Jiva. Now I was looking to buy a nice evil eye bracelet for a while, okay. I finally went in for this particular bracelet from Jiva. This is an evil eye bracelet, and this of course is in pure silver, and it has some stones also on either side. I love the evil eye, you know how they've used 2 shades of blue. It's very, very pretty. I'm gonna pop up some close-up pictures on the screen right now. Now these are made of authentic silver. I have been wearing this for about 2 weeks now and they haven't gone black. I always wear it, so basically whenever I'm taking my bath, I'm not opening the bracelet. I spritz perfumes on my wrist and everything. So abhi tak to iska kuch bhi kala nahi pada hai. Let's just hope it stays like that. Now Jiva ke products come with authenticity certificate, so that's really great. I have the certificate with me. This comes with a 6 months warranty, which is also great. Iska MRP I think is 4,000. I got it for a 50% off. I got this for rupees 2,000 from Amazon. I'm happening to love it. Let's just hope कि ऐसे ही रहता है and it doesn't go black. That's all I want. Like I said, I'm gonna place some close-up shots on the screen and it will be linked in the description box. So that's all for today's video, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching today's video. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you very, very soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Loads and loads of love. Also, do let me know what other kind of videos would you like to see on my channel. If there's something specific that you're looking for, I am definitely looking for your recommendations. So let me know if you want to see something specific and I'm going to shoot that and upload that for you ASAP. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Loads and loads of love, you guys. Bye-bye.